Hello everyone, dear friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to share your story from Facebook app to Instagram. Dear friends, please don't forget to give this video a like before watching. Be sure to please write your comments and also subscribe to the channel. And come on friends, we are going to get down to our topic with you. First, you will need to open the Facebook app on your device. Next, please go to the menu section. And then on the top right, click on the gear to open Settings. And then go to the Meta Account Center. Then please go to the Share Between Profiles section. And here select your Facebook account. Next, scroll through the menu a little bit and you will see an option here which is called your Facebook Stories. So that you can share them, you'll have to click on this option here. This way, in the future, every time you add a story on Facebook, it will automatically be added to the Instagram app as well. That's the method you'll be able to quickly and easily share your story from Facebook to Instagram. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also, dear friends, subscribe to this channel. See you soon.